Hello everyone, welcome to True Salon Education. In this video, I will be showing how to do long bob haircut with very easy techniques and beautiful one length output for nape length or just below shoulder length. Please to do watch till end to see the techniques, partings, sections and overall output of hairstyle before and after. If you like this haircut, please do like, comment and share with others. This haircut suits best on straight or wavy hair texture. On curly hair texture, ensure the length is long enough as the hair tends to jump. So, let's start. First of all, for this haircut, you need to start with one length cut from back. To do this haircut, you need to take partings in sections. We'll start taking section from center profile to nape area. This section name is profile parting. You can also check in video how to take this section. After dividing entire hair into two sections, start taking section from crown to top of the ears. This section name is radial parting. Now you have divided entire hair into profile and radial sections. And now you will be taking third section, which is diagonal forward section. This section you need to start from below the occipital bone to middle of the ear. You can also check in video how to take this section. Once you're done with sections, make sure the client's body position should be straight, then comb the hair thoroughly at 0° elevation and cut it square. Follow the guide and continue doing same section by section until you reach crown area by showing in video. Once you're done with cutting back sections, follow same diagonal forward section in front as well and over direct all the hair towards back at 0° elevation and cut it square. Once you finish with one length haircut, take 2-inch diagonal forward section from below the occipital bone to middle of the ear. Take a parallel vertical section from below the occipital bone. Elevation is lifting at natural fall to 45° straight out from the head and cut it square or texturize. Continue doing the same around the back following the guideline by showing in video. Once you finish cutting from back, you also need to over direct all the front hair towards back at 45° elevation and cut it square or texturize. Once you finish with entire haircut, cross-check the lengths. If lengths are perfect, use heat protectors to protect hair from heat equipments and style the hair. Give the tips and suggestions to client how to maintain their hair on daily basis. Hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share with your friends, and if you are new to the True Salon Education channel, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.